In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Salesforce with Zapier. Connecting these two powerful tools can streamline your workflow and enhance productivity by automating tasks and data synchronization. So, let's dive in and get started with connecting Salesforce to Zapier seamlessly. To begin, navigate to the Zapier homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the left sidebar. This area houses various options that you can explore, but for today's purpose, you want to focus on App Connections. As you might expect, App Connections is where you can manage all the applications you've already connected to Zapier. It's kind of like a control center for your integrations, giving you a bird's-eye view of everything you've linked up. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Zapier interface. You'll notice a button labeled Add Connection. This is your gateway to connecting new applications to Zapier. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up a search bar where you need to type in Salesforce. Typing it in will fetch the Salesforce application, ready for integration. Now, you'll arrive at a crucial step, logging into your Salesforce account. Zapier works by using your Salesforce credentials to access data and automate tasks, so it's important that you feel confident logging in. If you have your login information handy, go ahead and enter it. Make sure you follow the login procedures carefully. This might involve entering your email, password, and possibly passing through any two-factor authentication if that's set up for added security. Once you're logged in, the connection process is essentially complete. It's as straightforward as that. There are no complex steps or technical maneuvers needed. Zapier makes it remarkably simple to bring these two platforms together. You'll see a confirmation that you are now connected to your Salesforce account through Zapier, which means you are ready to start creating Zaps. These are the automated workflows that will save you time and effort in your daily tasks. By following these simple steps, you've successfully linked your Salesforce account to Zapier. It's a small action that can make a big difference in how you manage your workflows. Whether it's automating lead management, synchronizing customer data, or any of the multitude of possibilities Zapier offers, your productivity is set to soar thanks to this integration. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources available on the Zapier platform, or reach out to their support team for more personalized help. Happy automating!